Shooting me right now, the new 7Artisans 85mm F1.8 L mount autofocus, and it is currently attached to my Leica SL3-S, which is shooting me right now from that distance, as you can see there. This video will be very simple. I'll minimize the talking and let the lens talk for itself. You judge from the result, which I will show you later. So let's get on to it. Like I mentioned earlier, I prefer the product, the lens itself do the talking, not me. And I am just simply put, very impressed. This lens is optically almost perfect with everything that I have seen so far, be it video or even photography. Even wide open at f1.8, it is already very sharp, as you have seen earlier. Still shooting me right now, the same lens, which is wide open at f1.8, running ISO 12500. Just have a look at the color rendering and everything, and the sharpness here pointing at me, the autofocus, everything. How could you not be impressed with this? This is the kind of performance which I would normally expect from something like higher end Sigma DGDN, contemporary or even art series for the price of just $299 US. Yes, of course, there are several quirks or even something which I wish could have been done better, but it has nothing to do with the optical performance. I wish that the fitment of the lens itself to the body of my Leica Series L mount would be a bit tighter, because if I were to compare it with my other lens, they do fit tighter, and it would have been perfect if there's any sort of weather sealing, but no, this lens doesn't have any kind of weather sealing. Other than those two things, I literally don't have anything else to complain about. Perhaps I wish that the STM motor could be a bit faster in comparison to Leica very own lens or even Sigma lens, but then there's nothing really to complain unless I start to shoot something which is really fast-paced. But all in all, would I use this lens? Definitely. 85mm is just a perfect kind of lens that would allow me to step back, not too close to the subject, and still give me the kind of result which is mind-blowingly amazing. Thank you so very much for watching the video, and now please click like and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram at this handle here.